You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals 27/4. Let's solve it step by step. Convert mixed number to improper fraction. Improper fraction numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 19/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is k equals 27/4.